Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and today we are going to play Spell a Chord with some objects that you probably already have at your house. You will need some egg cartons. If you want to make some ABC cards, that's just extra for fun. And you will need some objects to put in the cartons. Now, I have used some tops from a milk container, but you could use even small pieces of paper or anything that you like. And then on these, I have used a dry erase marker so it will come off. So let's get started. The first thing I needed to do was to look at my egg carton. My egg carton has 6 across and 3 vertically. That's 18 eggs. If you don't have a carton that big, you might need to take 2 cartons and to put them together. So, and actually what I need to play my game is I'm going to need 8 spaces across. So I took a second carton and cut off a bit, and then I'm just going to put some pieces of tape and put them together. Just real easy like that. There you go. All right. So when you get your egg cartons ready, you're going to be needing to pretend that the bottom row of the egg carton are the names of the notes of the scale, whatever scale you want to play with. So I have the notes of the C scale up here to remind me what they are. And so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then this last one will be another C. Now I'm wanting to learn to spell the primary triads in the key of C. So what I'm going to do is start with the first compartment, which represents C, and I'll go ahead and put my C right there. And then I want to think about what is a skip up from C, and that is an E. I'm skipping D and going to E. And then a skip up from E is G. And now I have my first chord, C, E, G. And you can go to the piano and play it. You can play it one note at a time or all together. Now let's figure out what the fourth note of the scale would be. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here are our notes up here. This is why it's handy to have them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now our chord is going to start on F. We'll put it right here. And we want to have a skip up from F. So we'll find an A. And then what's a skip up from A? Well, we have to think about what comes in the music alphabet after B, and that is another C. So here's our F chord, F-A-C. Now we'll do the 5 chord, or the dominant chord. So this is the 1 chord, tonic. This is the 4 chord, which is subdominant. And now we're going to do the 5 chord, which starts on G, and it's called dominant. And from G, we skip up to B. Let's get this guy in there. And we skip up to D. And now you have mapped out all of the chords, the primary chords, in the key of C. Go ahead and take all of these out and try the key of G. Don't forget that there's a sharp in the key of G. Or try the key of F. Don't forget there's a flat in the key of F. Take a picture and show your teacher what you have done.